Hi all, this is Wonky HomeLife. I've just trained my 2 cats and they're following me home. There they are, pretty little things. And good little cats. And there's my double-story house in the distance. Well, today we are going to see what happens when you kill a cat. And I tell you, it is not easy to go and kill a cat. They're very fast and very slippery. Home sweet home. But first, what do you think happens when you kill a rabbit? Now, rabbits are really difficult to kill. They bounce here, they bounce there. Now, when you kill a rabbit, it gives you rabbit hide and rabbit meat. And if you're really lucky, in Minecraft you have 10% chance of getting a rabbit foot that you can use for potions. Well, here we go, and let's see what happens when we try and kill a cat. I would have thought when you kill a cat, you would get some cat meat and maybe cat fur or something. But it totally surprised me what I actually got when I killed a cat. So here's this poor pussycat. He's a beautiful one, so I really don't particularly like killing this pussycat. And this looks really, really painful. Poor pussycat. And there you go. We actually got string. We got string from a cat. We got string from a cat. We got rabbit meat from a rabbit and rabbit hide. Now, what else can give you string in Minecraft? Wow. Well, again, totally surprised. Well, not really, because they make web. Yes, it's the spider. The spider gives you string. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.